Hey guys, and welcome to Blog Tip Tuesday, where I share helpful blog tips every single Tuesday. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make money selling printables online. And before I forget, I want to make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram because I'm going to start posting some really helpful tips that allow me to be able to work at home with my kids and build multiple streams of income. So make sure you follow me if you're not following me, and I'll put it in the description below so you just click on it and can follow me that way. Alright, back to printables. Now there are a number of ways you can make money with your blog, and having a product to sell is one of the best ways to make money. But don't think you have to have a blog to do well selling printables. It's just an added bonus if you do. I plan to do a video on printables at some point down the line, but I was recently in one of my Facebook groups and someone asked if anyone took any courses to help them get started creating and selling printables online. And then when this girl responded and said that she took a course and now makes $8,000 a month selling printables online, I had to find out what course did she take to make that kind of money. So I kept scrolling through the thread, eating my popcorn, trying to find out what course she took. And thankfully, it was actually one of the courses that I already promote on my blog, Tried and True Mom Jobs, and it's the Gold City Ventures ePrintables Side Hustle course. And in that same thread, I also saw that someone said that they had a discount code when they purchased the course. So I reached out to the course creators to see if I can give my subscribers a discount code as well. And like the Bible says, ask and you shall receive. So I have a discount code for you guys that will give you $50 off their already affordable course. So I'm going to put my discount code in the description below in case you guys are interested in taking this course. Now, I knew you could make money selling printables, but I did not know that you could make that much money. You see, it's the earning potential for me. When I found out that people were earning $1,000 to $50,000 a month blogging, that's what got me interested in blogging. And now I'm making that kind of money. So just knowing that you can earn $8,000 a month in printables is something to be talked about. Especially because with printables, these are things that you make once and can sell over and over and over again. It is literally one of the best forms of passive income. So let's first talk about how this whole selling printables online thing works and start with the basics. What are printables? Printables are simply pieces of artwork designed to be downloaded, printed, and used for different many reasons. The first thing you need to do to sell printables online is to pick a niche that sells. So weddings, baby showers, scrapbooking, those are all great niches. Also, anything related to seasonal products like Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, those are also all good niches to be in as well. Julie is one of the course creators of the course I just mentioned, and she does a lot of research on Pinterest and Etsy to see what's already selling and to get ideas on what printables that she can do that she knows will do well. I do have a free 22-page ebook of seasonal printable ideas that you can sell online, so make sure you check that out just to get some ideas on what kind of printables that you can sell. Now I'll put that in the description below in case you guys are interested. So once you have your niche and an idea of what kind of printables you want to make, then you have to actually learn how to make printables to sell on Etsy. So there are many free design tools you can use to make printables, like Canva for one. And if you decide to take the course, they'll actually help you learn how to do all this kind of stuff. They even have bi-weekly graphic design office hours. So if you need extra help in that area, you can get personalized feedback, which is really cool. So once you create your first printable, then you list it on Etsy, and then you want to use certain keywords in the title and in the listing to make sure that it can be found. If you guys have watched a number of my videos, you'll know that I am so big on keyword research and just finding out what people are searching for so I can fulfill their need and make some money. So for example, Julie, the course creator, she creates bachelorette themed printables. So she puts bachelorette games on her products, so anyone searching for bachelorette games will find her in the search results on Etsy. So people can easily find her products and make a purchase, so she's continuously making money through search. So after you post your first listing on Etsy, you can use their free data they provide just to further refine your listing, your images, your description, and the product until you start to get sales. And then the best part comes once you get it right. You can just sit back and watch the sales start to come in. one of the key things that you need to have in order to be successful selling printables is that you have to be persistent and not give up in the beginning. Because it takes time for most people. I mean, it could take a couple months just to really learn how to do this and to get it right. And once you start doing these printables, it will become a lot easier and you'll become a lot better over time. Now, in the course that I was talking about earlier, they will show you how to select a product that will sell, how to actually make these printables, set up your Etsy shop and list your products, how to actually market your products, and their secret keyword research strategies to help you get your products found on Etsy. They also do something which is pretty cool where they have 12 done-for-you printable templates that you can just tweak like this, make it your own, and sell it. Now, the course creators, they go more in detail about how they do so well selling printables, and I'll link that video in the description below so you can check it out if you're interested in taking their course. So, is this something that you guys want to try? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you guys have a blog or you're thinking about starting a blog, definitely check out my video I did on my 6-figure blog formula, because I really believe that anyone can make a 6-figure blog following the same formula that I used that was able to get me to 6 figures. So you guys can check that out if you're interested. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.